So let's study the differences between enzymes and hormones. So the first point under enzymes is, so enzymes are catalysts that accelerates the rate of a chemical reaction. And for hormones, so hormones is a chemical substance produced in the body that controls and regulates the activity of certain cells or organs. Now let's move on to the second point. So enzymes are predominantly composed of proteins, but for hormones are composed of proteins, amino acids, steroids, etc. So the third point, so enzymes retains the chemical makeup after use, hence can be reused. It is simple because enzymes are like chemical catalysts. They itself do not take part in the reaction but only helps to increase the reaction rate by decreasing the activation energy of the biochemical reaction. Now for hormones we have, so chemical composition of hormones changes after use, hence they cannot be reused. Let's move on to the fourth point. So external factors acutely affect regulation of enzymes such as temperature, pH levels, etc. And for hormones, so external factors do not affect hormones as acutely as for enzymes. So the fifth point under enzymes says that enzymes cannot diffuse through a cell membrane, but hormones can diffuse through a cell membrane. So the sixth point, so exocrine glands produces enzymes such as salivary glands, sweat glands, etc. And for hormones, so endocrine glands produces hormones, example the thyroid and pituitary glands. Now let's move on to the seventh point. So enzymes are not affected by age, but hormones are affected by age. So the eighth point says that enzymes form and act at the site of production, but for hormones they form and act at different sites. Now let's move on to examples. So examples of enzymes are protease, amylase and lipase, which are important enzymes for digestion. And for hormones, melatonin and insulin are two important hormones. There are a lot, but I will only use these two as the examples for now. So now let's look at a diagram for enzymes and hormones. So we have a diagram of an enzyme which is working. Here in the enzyme, the maltose is in the active site which converts it into glucose. The enzyme acts in the lock and key process, where only certain compounds can fit in the enzyme and others will not be allowed. Hence enzymes are specific towards certain reactions. They are specifically designed catalysts for only increasing the rate of certain chemical reactions. Now for hormones, so hormones are molecules, usually a peptide or steroid, that is produced in one part of an organism and triggers a specific cellular reaction in target tissues and organs some distance away. Here this is the secreting cell. It secretes the hormones into the bloodstream, from where it goes to the target cells. So these were the differences between enzymes and hormones. Thank you.